The costs of digital currencies are driven by many variables, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful, criminal operations, and market interest. This multitude of elements make directing a specialist examination of cryptographic money vital in the present market. Brise is another undertaking in the digital money world that has acquired prevalence in view of turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this video, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the bitgert task subtleties, track down the responses to the most well-known questions, and notice some Brise cost expectations. What is bitgert Brise? This year, bitgert is among the most thrilling cryptographic money projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It promotes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the task's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be entirely adaptable. However, it doesn't decrease analysis over them for being profoundly concentrated. The bitgert network was advertised as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange expenses. However, it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing discussions in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous DApp discharges on bitgert convention, from non-fungible token commercial centers to decentralized finance conventions. The bitgert environment truly extended in the main year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries concerning the bitgert project. For example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way that it utilizes publicizing. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web. In view of the absence of excellent first individual data, the task is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and bits of gossip. Its appearance led to an immense number of reports. The crypto local area focused on the dubious closeness of this picture with the consequences of man-made intelligence-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to save privacy. The sketchy promoting strategies utilized by the undertaking group are dubious too. In this way, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of recordings about bitgert, referencing the venture just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful undertaking on a standard with currently fruitful and demonstrated cryptographic forms of money like ADA, spell, and so on. Is Brise a wise speculation? Does bitgert have a future? A few examiners are certain about the outcome of the Brise token. As a matter of fact, some of them even foresee bitgert's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. Once more, be that as it may, we should keep in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the scientific report and the venture's makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the risky regions that we have previously referenced previously. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these elements prior to choosing whether to put resources into the Brise stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that Brise will be an effective interest over the long haul. Be that as it may, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a chance to benefit on the off chance that the organization can make something happen from now on. What number of bitgert coins are there? The task's self-detailed circling supply is 427,350. 68 BBRISE. What is bitgert crypto? Brise is a 20 Cruzado symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for the Binance blockchain. Where is bitgert recorded? You can track down Brise on MEXC, KuCoin, XTCOM, Gate.io, and Bitmart. In August 2022, the venture's administration openly communicated its eagerness and status to help out Binance through Twitter. The dealing cycle has proactively begun. And to commend this key achievement, bitgert has vowed to offer $5 million worth of Brise to the Binance People Group in the event of having it recorded on Binance. Bitgert value investigation as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of bitgert is $0, and Brise is as of now position no. 225 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of bitgert is 395-688-215-721-653 Brise, with a market cap of $125,703,387.56. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Brise has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 0.38%. Bitgert has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of Brise has diminished by 33.8%, killing an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy venture. Bitgert Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of bitgert will be $0. The greatest level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. December 2022, bitgert value figure. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Brise cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of bitgert may be around $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of bitgert in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of bitgert will be around $0. The greatest expected Brise cost might be around $0. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Bitgert Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of bitgert, in 2024, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have dissected the costs of bitgert and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Brise cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least Brise costs are normal in 2026, $0. Overall, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of bitgert. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Brise cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0, yet it actually could reach $0 through 2027. Bitgert Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan estimates at the cost of bitgert. It is assessed that Brise will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year. Bitgert Value Forecast 2029. Digital currency examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the bitgert's cost. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme Brise cost of $0. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $0. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the bitgert cost,